Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm finally going to show you guys how I do my eyeliner. So without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to finally show you guys how I do my eyeliner. It's a very straightforward process. I'm going to try my best to make this tutorial as easy as possible for you guys to follow. I'm also going to show you guys what to do if you make mistakes, how to clean it up and make it look really nice. And I'm also going to be talking to you guys about this 14 inches lace front wig from Cynosure Hair. So yeah, if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my videos. And without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so we're going to be starting with the eyeliner part. I'm using the Sephora liquid eyeliner. It's waterproof and it also has a felt tip. As you guys can see, my felt tip is looking a little bit rough because I've been using this for a long time, since last year. But yeah, and you're also going to want to need a good mirror. I'm going to be using the mirror from my Eyeliner Beauty Glitz Fever palette. So as you can see, I start from the corner of my eyelid, right there in the corner, and as you can see, I'm looking down at the mirror, so I place the mirror a little bit below so I can look down on it and see what I'm doing. So I just draw little lines stroke by stroke, and I stop about 3/4 of the way with the first line. I don't fill it in yet, I just draw the line. Next, I draw another line that starts at the outer end of my bottom eyelid. So I basically just follow that line. I follow the angle of my bottom eyelid, as you guys can see, and just draw the line. Using a felt tip makes it easier for you to do short strokes gently. Take your time to do this, you don't have to rush. So you just take your time to do short strokes and elongate the line. So next, as you guys can see, I have a fold in my eyelid, so I go from right under the fold to draw my third line. So right under the fold, right there, I start the mark for my third line. So as you can see, once again, little strokes, just keep going, and I join that third line to the second line that I drew. Now if you guys notice, as I'm drawing the lines, doing my little strokes, the eyeliner is looking kind of faint. That's because I've had this liner since September last year, and the concealer on my eyelid is very thick, so it affects the liner ink. The thick concealer kind of clogs the felt tip, so the ink doesn't come out properly. So I literally have to take like a little piece of tissue and clean up the felt tip so that the ink comes out better. As you guys can see, the ink is coming out better now, so I'm just filling in the spaces under the line. Now I don't know if the clogged liner issue is specific to this Sephora eyeliner I use, or it's a common issue if you use thick concealers. This is the only liner I've tried. I bought it at Sephora because the lady I spoke to said she recommends it for beginners because it's easier to control. So if you have any other eyeliner suggestions, please let me know down below in the comment section. So now I'm done filling in the liner. It looks nice now, but we're gonna take it a step further. I'm gonna show you guys how to clean it up if you make any mistakes or if you just want to make it sharper. So as you guys can see, I have little like smudges or little mistake lines around, so I'm going to show you how to clean that up. So you want to take a flat brush like this, and you're going to take your concealer. So this is the thick concealer that I use. It's the Too Faced Born This Way multi-sculpting concealer. So you just take a little bit on the brush, then you just go ahead and clean up the liner. Do this gently as well, little gentle strokes, and just use that to clean up the liner. Take away all the smudges and all the lines that aren't sharp. It's kind of like cleaning up your eyebrows or lipstick with concealer. It's basically the same thing. So you can make as many mistakes as you want when you're actually drawing the liner. You can have some areas that are smudged, but just know that you can always clean it up with concealer to make it much sharper. So as you can see, it's starting to look much better, and yeah, practice makes perfect. I literally started doing my eyeliner like this September last year after I bought the liner at Sephora, and before that I was a mess when it came to eyeliner. Like, my eyeliner was terrible. So the more you practice, the more you will get better. No matter how bad you think you are now, trust me, the more you practice, it will definitely get better. So sometimes I also extend my eyeliner into the corner of my eye, right there at the tear duct, just to give me that cat eye effect. I do that sometimes, but not every time. But yeah, this is basically how I do my eyeliner. Next, I'm gonna just put on some lashes just to complete the look and do some mascara. So the lashes I'm wearing are from Leilano Beauty in the style Lala. They have so many beautiful styles on their website, and their lashes are really good quality. You can reuse them and they last a very long time, and the brand is also black owned. Apart from the wig I'm wearing in this video, nothing else is sponsored. The video is not sponsored at all apart from the wig. So everything you see me using makeup wise is stuff that I actually buy. Okay, so now to the hair. This hair is from Cynosure Hair. It's their Brazilian body wave 14 inches. It's a 13x4 lace front human hair wig. So this is what it looks like straight out of the pack. I'm just going to show you guys how I put on the wig and all that stuff. So I popped it on a mannequin hair to show you guys how it looks, and I'm going to come up close so that you guys will see the hair. And as you can see, it is pre-plugged. But you can still plug this some more if you want it to look more natural, but this is okay for me. It's pre-plugged, so you don't have to put in too much work plucking it. So I'm just cutting off the lace, and I didn't have to really bleach the knots or anything like that. It also comes in an adjustable strap so that you can adjust it to the size of your head. And as you can see, that is the lace, and it comes with 4 combs inside. This is just basically the construction of the wig cap. This wig actually fits me well. I was very surprised. I even had to tighten it a bit. So yeah, it fits big heads. So if you have a lot of hair, it's going to fit you. As you can see, this is what the hairline looks like. You wouldn't really necessarily have to bleach the knots because they are not that dark. However, you would need to tint the lace if you're darker so that it matches your skin tone. Either you use a spray or you use concealer, foundation, or whatever, but you definitely need to tint this lace because if you don't, it will just be a white line at the top of your head. So now I'm doing the parting. I decided to go with a side part, so I'm just using a rat tail comb to do the part, and I'm going to press it down with a curling one, or you can use an iron. I normally use an iron, but I decided to use a curling one today. And yeah, I'm going to start customizing the lace so that it fits me well. So I'm going to be taking a little bit of the Got to Big gel, and I'm literally just applying it only at that edge, only just to lay down that edge of the wig, because I was too lazy to do the entire hairline, since I'm going to be taking off this wig immediately when I'm done doing this video. Like, I'm not going anywhere, so I just literally only laid down that edge. But you can feel free to do it on your entire hairline if you want. But yeah, I'm just pressing down that edge, and I realized that I didn't cut off enough lace there, so make sure that you cut off enough lace. Anyways, now I'm taking a little bit of my foundation and just applying it to the lace to tint it so that it matches my skin tone, because like I said before and I showed you guys, the lace is very light, so you would need to tint this to match your skin tone. So I'm just applying the foundation on the lace, and as you can see, it's starting to look a bit better. And I'm also applying a little bit to the hairline as well, but this time I'm using a smaller brush. So this is what it looks like after applying the foundation to the hairline and to the parting. So I went ahead and did the baby hairs off camera, but now I'm going to start styling the wig. So I'm just doing very loose wand curls. As you guys can see, just taking medium-sized sections and doing very loose wand curls. Now this hair is 150% density, so it's like the perfect density. It's not too full, because sometimes when you have short hair that's too full, it looks very wiggy, and at the same time it's not thin, so it's just like the perfect density. Now for the front curl, as you can see, I'm curling it away from my face. That is what gives you that little hump in the front that looks very nice. So make sure you curl that part away from your face. So now I'm just going to rake through the curls, take a white tooth comb and just comb through the curls, because I don't want this to be too tight. I want this to just be nice and wavy, and because this is a body wave texture, it holds curls really well, much better than if I had done this with straight hair. This hair is very nice. I did not get shedding from this hair at all. It's a perfect density, perfect length, 14 inches. I have nothing bad to say about the hair at all, and when I tell you guys the price, you will be shocked. It is only $82, 82. I was so surprised when I went on their website. Normally on some websites, this wig will go for about $200-300, so I was very shocked to see 82. So yeah, I'm just finishing up the makeup look so that you guys will see everything put together. I really like the quality of this hair. It holds curls really well. I don't have any issue at all. If you get the hair, please let me know how the one you received is, because I know sometimes some companies send the good hair to the YouTubers and they send the actual customers lower quality hair. So yeah, just let me know how your wig turns out. Okay, so this is the final look with everything put together. I absolutely love this hair. I love how it looks, the length, the density, how it holds curls, and I really like this makeup look as well. So this is basically how I do my eyeliner. Like I said, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you're going to get. Just take your time and just keep practicing. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Let me know if the eyeliner tutorial was easy for you guys to follow. Let me know if you have any other tips or tricks or anything like that that you do to make putting on eyeliner easier for you. Like I said, this hair is from Cynosure Hair. It is their Brazilian body wave texture, 13x4 lace frontal, and it's 14 inches. All the information is going to be down below in the description box, plus where you can get the hair. Yeah, I think that's all I have for this video. Thank you guys for watching. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below on my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other hair videos, wig videos, natural hair videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.